So after you install thermally modified wood, you have several different options. You can finish it or you can let it go naturally. And what happens then is the wood will silver out, like this piece here. This has been outside for about 6 months, and this silver color is all natural, produced by the sunlight and exposure to weather. If you allow the wood to weather naturally, you can expect to see some fine checking or cracking in the wood. That's completely normal. All wood products do that. It doesn't indicate any kind of product failure. The wood in its natural state is this nice brown color. This is what it looks like when it's freshly installed. For the purposes of this video, we did not put any kind of finish on this wood. If you decide to treat the product, there are several different options you can use, but they all have to have one thing in common. They have to be very low viscosity and oil-based. Otherwise, they will not penetrate into the wood and not provide the kind of long-term protection that the wood requires. Americana recommends that you apply the finish on all sides of the wood before installation. That'll give you the best, most consistent results. And if you want a painted look on the wood, as many of our customers do, there is one product that we've tested and used ourselves with great success. It's made by Sherwin-Williams. It's called Woodscapes, and it is a solid pigment house stain, available in a variety of colors and customizable.